The Juno 60 lacks a MIDI interface, but has a nifty trick that you can use to still have it interconnect with different instruments. For one thing, the Juno 60 has an arpeggiator, which you can control the rate of with this knob here. However, Roland was also pretty clever in that they gave a arpeggio clock in input designed to be used with some of the other Roland drum machines that had a output of a +5 DC wave. That +5 DC wave would then pulse out of the drum machine, being controlled by the drum machine sequencer and clock, and this synthesizer would receive it and then use it as the rate. So now with that plugged in, you can't hear anything because it's actually waiting for that pulse to show up. So where I don't have a TR-808 or 909 or some of the older classic Roland drum machines, I do have a sampler that I could load up a rimshot sample from one of those drum machines, which still has that waveform at the end still embedded in it. So one way we can hear that is, that's the rimshot. So what I've done is I took this same rimshot sound and put it into this pad here, went over to the mixer and changed that pad's output to actually go to this cable here, which is on output 1. So this cable runs out, then goes into the Juno 60, and now whenever I play that rimshot sound, you can't hear anything. But if I were to hold a note on the Juno 60, which again, the Juno 60 is basically just pretending like my fingers are still holding on to that. Now I can push this, and the rate of which I push this button will be how quickly the Juno 60 plays through the arpeggiated notes. So then you can embed that within, say, a beat. And you can change those actual notes in real time. Thanks for watching.